Well, shares of China Eastern under pressures in both Shanghai and Hong Kong as investors react to yesterday's crash. The stock in Shanghai closing more than 6% down. Over in Hong Kong, it paid some of those losses to close down about 2.5%. The company has grounded all Boeing 737-800 passenger flights from today for safety, forcing a mass cancellation of flights. And its stock has lost more than 12% this year. The plane crash couldn't have come at a more critical time for Boeing. The U.S. plane maker is gearing up for the re-entry of its 737 MAX for commercial service in China following two fatal crashes. Although this crash involves the MAX's predecessor, it may not make a difference to Chinese passengers and regulators.
This is not a 737 MAX, which is the latest generation of the 737. Putting this in context for investors, one of the important questions that we have, especially from the Boeing perspective, is what is the cause of the accident? At this point, we have very little information.
Boeing's chief executive Dave Calhoun says the company is offering the full support of its technical experts in the investigation of the crash. Shares of Boeing fell on Wall Street overnight. China Eastern's U.S. listed shares ended the day tanking more than 6% in New York.